Uranium friends, ETFs. Let's look. URA will be the first victim. Let's check it out. Daily lost this channel. Pretty good loss of it. Lost these fibs. Let's see what's going on. Do I still have these fibs correct? Yeah, lost the really this. It's 78% retracement is kind of holding. Seems to say, hey, maybe it wants to test this 200-day moving average and undercut it a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if there's anything that, this is a pretty similar look. That peak is that peak. Bet you could probably even do a fractal. Let me just see something here. If we want to see what it looks like. Right there. Okay, so pretty similar looking. Pretty similar looking setup. Conjecture, of course, right? Still have some support here that we got to deal with. So this 28 area is really starting to become very important all of a sudden. Um, Typical consolidation on the weekly, yeah. Not atypical to test the 200-day moving average. Lots of support coming into a lot of support here. It's the best we can do with URA for now. We know what we're looking at here. We know that we're looking at a major breakout potential. Back test into this little fake out for another leg up, quite possible, right? So monthly, it could tap this 12 EMA. Yeah, right. 27, 28 bucks. And it would be fine. But this is the start of monthly consolidation here on URA. So you can see how much stronger CCJ is, So, the CCJ is going to be, at the end of the day, the leader in the space. Is going to tell you what's going on with the rest of the space. So monthly consolidation begins on URA. Plenty of support here. I would expect support to hold in this 27, 28 area. Yeah, 27, 28 area. I would expect and hope that it would hold. So, but do I know that for sure? I don't. One would think that maybe it gets down to that monthly 12 EMA in daily oversold conditions. It's probably going to be a fantastic buy opportunity if and when that occurs. Urnm, daily's testing some levels here. If you look at my last video, it's right where I kind of said it. We could possibly see a reversal. I'm not even patting myself on the back. It's just what I saw at the time. It was a Fibonacci extension, and I figured it was going to get front run. It's exactly what happened. You can go back and look at my other video if you don't believe me. But we're testing the 200-day moving average, and it seems as though URNM, and URNJ kind of run a little bit differently and together than URA. So I see URNJ took out the 200-day moving average with no follow through right now. Maybe URNM test this whole area, and it could be problematic because then it's be coming down to start testing this area. But that's a deal. I mean, I can't magically make things change. So yeah, kind of a key support zone we're coming into, this 46 to 48 area, and that will be the deal. All-time high, come back, retest its. See what happens. We got to see if there's another leg up. This is right now. It's a good monthly bull flag. Let's just see. Let's see what the retracement looks like. Bet you I could catch this on a quarterly, it'd be even better. Quarterly bull flag. I just want to make sure my levels are correct. quarterly bull flag hasn't even lost the 23% retracement of that quarterly bull flag. I'm going to kill the devil. Let's kill the devil. He's in the way. So a quarterly consolidation has not occurred. Literally. Wow. The last time it had any true quarterly consolidation, July of 2021. Otherwise, it's been higher lows since then. Interestingly enough, right? So it's a bull flag. It's a bull flag confirming with no follow through right now. That's just what's going on the quarterly. That is the deal. Let's get to URNJ. Let's see how it looks. URNJ daily closing below the 200-day moving average for its first time ever. Not a lot of data, so that doesn't have as much meaning, but there is a 200-day moving average. It has established a 200-day moving average, and it's breached it, but not overly concerned about that. It does raise a lot of eyebrows for me and gets the yellow flag out. The support will be important. There's a lot of action in here. Let's get that rectangle thingy. Right, there's a lot of action. Let's just say it's right in here, right? There's a lot of action here. Dating all the way back to its birth. All right, so this is kind of important. Zone has importance. You could probably. I hate the magnet when this situations like this. You could probably bring it somewhere like that. Maybe even a little bit more, right? Support zone. Really don't want to see it break. I like it better. I like it better there. This is what we're talking about with URNJ. So it's coming into support zone. And the volume profile tells you also. So we've lost all of this. It's blasted right through this volume profile. May act as resistance on the way up. So people that did not stop out here, that get sick of this thing, of the sector through either time or price action, might be happy to break even once it starts getting back up here. So we'll have to see how that plays out. For now, this is the support zone for the life of the stock, and that's what I'm kind of looking at. Monthly consolidation has begun. It is very strong, far stronger than URNM and URA, right? So, and it's here. So, got to see what happens. I don't have any predictions here. The only thing that I would say is that these moving averages need to, tighten up again. I want to see some tightened up moving averages like this. So there could be more downside in order to do that. It's ideally what I would like to see. Right now, you're going to get something to the effect of, let's just hope that it just blasts right back through them when these things tighten up and starts using them as support. That's the way I'm seeing the ETFs at the moment. Over and out.